Hi loves, welcome back to another video, and if you're new here, it's so great to have you. Okay, so today I am going to be doing a haul video which you guys recommended or asked for, so I definitely want to deliver. But first, before I start that, I do want to show you guys, these are the nails that I did in the last video that I used the nail hack for, and oh my goodness, I'm so impressed. They have held up for so long. So it's been a little bit over 2 weeks, actually going almost on 3 weeks now that I've had these nails on, and you can see the growth already right here. I've kind of just taken off the crystals so you guys can see the growth a lot better, and you can just see like it's been a while since I've had these nails on, and they've held up so well. So let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay loves, so for today's video I'm going to be doing a haul from JC's Beauty, and I also have a coupon for you guys, so you guys can go ahead and grab my 15% off coupon, and you can check that down in my description box if you guys are interested in any of these products. Okay, so the first collection that I got was Metal Status, and those were all metallics, and the next one that I picked up was the Pastel collection, and I love this one. This is probably my favorite collection of them all, and they all come with 6 colors each. And then the next one that I picked up was the Orchid Love, and this one's really great for summer. It's so nice and bright and stunning. It also has a few shimmer colors, so that's really impressive. So the next collection that I picked up is the Starlight Collection, and this collection is all glitters, which is very impressive. I can't wait to try that one out. And then the next collection is Supernova. So this one is again another metallic collection, so very similar to the first one, and I don't mind that. I really actually like those type of colors. You don't really get to see those quite often. And then the next collection is the Hawaiian Tropics, and this collection is another bright one which I love, so perfect for summer as well. Okay loves, so I am going to be giving away one of these collections to one of my lucky subscribers. So if you guys want to enter, you can go ahead and subscribe to my channel and like this video, and then go down in the comments and comment which collection you'd love to win, and then you're entered. For those of you who may be wondering if there's a lot of colors that are similar in each of the packages, there aren't. There's only like a few colors that are kind of similar in some of them, but even those are still different. So I do recommend you can go ahead and get all of them. Okay, so the next collection that I got was the Bedazzled collection, and these are a full glitter collection, and oh my god, I'm so excited to swatch these, and I will be swatching these in another video. So if you guys want to check that out, be sure to come back, and you can go ahead and hit that bell notification so that you could be notified every time I upload a new video, and that way you'll never miss an upload. Okay, so now I also bought just some regular colored acrylics, and these are so stunning, and I'm going to open each and every one of these and show you guys them all so you can have a look at them with me. So this is color number 51, and it's a beautiful yellow color, and just look at it. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is just off to a really good start. I love this color. Okay, so for the next color, it is color 19, and it is a very nice baby blue color, and ooh, this is probably my favorite color of all of them. Look at it, it's so stunning. And I'm really impressed by like how smooth it looks in the jar even. Okay, so the next color is color number 56, and this is a really deep, burgundy color. I don't know, it's kind of like purple, but I don't know if it's called burgundy, but it's really like a nice deep purple color, and it's stunning. And this color is number 23, and this is a gray, like a silverish gray color. Really nice. And then the next color is number 54, and this is very similar to the last purplish deep purple burgundy color, and this one is just has like silver sparkles in it, which is really beautiful. Okay, and so for the next color, it is going to be this very nice light pink, and this is color number 21. I love this. It's kind of peachy as well. Okay, so the next color is number 31, and this jar was really hard to open, but this is like a nice bluish teal color, and then it has those light baby blue sparkles in it. Super pretty. Okay, and now this color is number 20, and this is like a very light brown or like a tan color. That would be great for like a cover color. And then the next color that I have, oh my gosh, guys. Like, I take it back. This is my all-time favorite color, the blue. I'm sorry, blue, but I love you. This is just, oh my god, a work of art. Like, look at how bright it is. It's so stunning. I wish you could see it in like real life. It's so bright. Okay, so now the next color is this beautiful color. I lost the sticker, so I don't know what color it is, but it has like, it's like a light brown, and it has like silver sparkle in it. It's stunning. And this is color number 18, and this color is just, oh, this color is just stunning. It's like a mix between gray and brown. It's like a cool brown color. It's stunning. And then the next color, like, guys, their neon colors are just blowing me out of the water. This blue, like, is shocking. Like, it's electrifying. Look at it. It's so stunning. Okay, so the next color is 36, and it's this beautiful iridescent, shimmery, I don't even know if iridescent in the world, but shimmery green color, and I love that one so much. And then this next color is color number 37, and it's a beautiful purple. It's just purple. It has very tiny little blue shimmers in it, and they're like the electric blue shimmer, so that's really nice. I like that. And then this color is 47, and I got a lot of nudes. I don't know, I love nude colors. I think they're such a good staple to have, so I made sure to stock up on those. And this color is number 4, and oh my gosh, are you guys ready for this? Like, you know those tennis balls, those neon tennis balls? That's exactly what this looks like. Bright, bright, bright neon yellow. Okay, so this next color is number 76, and this one is beautiful. It's like a metallic dark blue. This is going to be great for winter. I can't wait to use that. Okay, and now this is color number 75, and this color is basically like a gold. It's like a shimmer color. It doesn't have like a base color to it. It's just like a rose goldy gold shimmer. Okay, so the next color is color number 22, and this is another pink. Yes, I love my pink. I love my pink, and it's just stunning. It's perfect. This would be great for like a light pink cover color as well, or like a full nail. That would be really pretty. And okay, so I'm having a hard time choosing my favorite colors, because this color right here, guys, this color is bomb. I need that. I just need that forever. Okay, and the next color is this beautiful bright red color, and it's number 53. Really nice. And the next color is number 15. I don't know, guys. Don't ask me why I keep getting these pinks and these nudes, but I like them, so that's why I got them. Sorry. Okay, so next color, we got this beautiful copper color, and it's also another shimmer color. I like my sparkles too, so that's just me. And that was number 30, and this is number 13, and again, it's another light cover color, and this is very pale. Okay, so now I also got a couple clear, because you know you can't live without it, because you just need to protect those designs, and you're gonna cap in the clear. So, and these clears are supposed to be like super duper clear, like some of the best on the market, so we're gonna find out about that for sure. So I also just picked up 2 of the Bare Serene, and I got one Angel Eye, and this color is Snowflake, and this is super nice. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys how well this was sealed, and it's a little bit kind of hard to get off. I can't tell you guys a lie. So this is a very nice white color, and this one kind of is like, it's like a milky white. It's not like a pure white. It's kind of like milky, but I did get a pure white as well. Okay, so the next color that I picked up was soft pink, and then followed by dramatic pink, and these are all cover colors, so that's great. And then I also got bright white, followed by cover blush, along with cover pink, and soft peach. So I almost forgot to mention, I did also pick up 2 of the 32 ounce monomers, and they're really good. So I'm impressed by this whole collection. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Love you guys all so much. Take care and be blessed. Bye now.